Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to make a sticker for Discord and upload a sticker on Discord app. So guys, first of all, you have to download image for creating stickers. If you want to create a sticker for memes, just search memes and go to images and download any meme here. So I'm gonna download this meme, or let's download this one. And once you download, open any photo editor. So I will recommend you to use PicsArt. So just open the memes that you want to convert into sticker. So once you import the image, tap on the crop option, tap on crop, and now on the top you will see the crop ratio. Just change it into 320 and 320 width and 320 height, and just tap on OK and adjust. So just tap on tick option, and once you're done with the sticker, just tap on download to save it on your device. So once you save this image, now it's time to upload or add this sticker on your Discord server. So open any server and go to server where you want to upload this, and you can see that I have recently sent customize sticker on my server. So if you want to send it, just tap on three dot and tap on this three dot and scroll down, and you will see this option here, setting. Tap on setting. Now you have to go to this option, emojis. Tap on it, and now you will see that here you can add up to 50 custom emojis that anyone can use in this server. So you can also animate you can also add animated GIF emojis. So just tap on the upload emoji and just tap on gallery to import it and just save it. And as you can see, so you can name this emoji as well. So I'm gonna name it as, what was the name of this emoji? China, made in China. So now if you want to, so since it is uploaded, you can also delete from here. So just go to server, and if you want to send it, just tap on this emojis icon and tap on the emoji. You can see that the customized emoji will be listed here. Just tap on it and then tap on the send button, and your customized emoji will be sent on server. So that's how you can make emojis and add to Discord app. Hope you like it, and if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel Karam. Till then, bye bye.